Hi, I am Ipshita Rath, a product manager here at Think Talent, and I am going to talk about three ways in which we leverage our platforms to make learning more engaging and effective. So, we have been delivering virtual learning programs for many years now, and the last few years we've seen that a lot of clients who used to do physical programs have been moving to a more online or virtual methodology with us. And especially during the pandemic, we've started working with a lot more clients on virtual learning programs. In many cases, participants are doing a virtual program for the first time, and you don't want this to become a barrier. So, what we've tried to do is keep the digital interface of the platform extremely simple and intuitive. So the platform is available in multiple ways to the participants. So they can access it on the web, for example, on a laptop or a desktop. They can access it on their mobile browser, or they can download an app and access it both on Android and iOS. And what this does is makes the platform app available to the participant the way they want it to be available, and they can learn on the go, and it's truly anytime, anywhere. We see that a lot of younger participants are more interested in saying or asking, how can this help me on the job, and how is this program relevant for me? And in response to that, what we've tried to do is keep the content away from theories and frameworks. And we've asked instructors to talk about practical examples and on the job situations that participants may actually be facing. And this really helps the participants know what they can do in certain scenarios on the job. And in order to do this on the platform, we've created the platform in such a way that it can include on the job learning aids, reflection exercises, situational role plays, and different types of learning content that can help the participant. Also, different people learn differently. Everyone has a different learning style. So what we've tried to do on the platform and with the content is to include different types of learning methodologies in our programs. So we combine online self-learning with facilitator-led virtual interactive sessions and virtual assessment centers, reflection exercises, and other activities. So people with different learning styles can learn how they like, and the platform allows us to do this seamlessly. And participants can access all of these learning activities, all the different types of learning activities, from one single page on the platform. And I think that truly makes it really simple and intuitive for the participant.